Hi guys, and welcome to Munich Main Station. Here we are in the concourse, walking from the S-bahn platforms up onto the concourse and over to where the U-bahn trains depart from. So what I'll do is at the end of this video I'll give a little demonstration of how to buy a ticket in the ticket machine, so that when you come to Munich you'll be familiar with what it looks like down here on the concourse, and it won't be so intimidating to go and buy yourself a ticket. You can see that there are signs all over the concourse indicating where the S-bahn and U-bahn lines are. It's fairly intuitive to use, and certainly whilst you're on your journey there are plenty of places where you can get refreshment within the station concourse. This was completed a few years ago, and you can perceive it as being the first phase, if you like, of the rebuilding of the Munich Main Station. Above where we are right now is where all the work is going on for the main part of the station, which is due to be completed, in theory, in 2027. We're walking through here during coronavirus times, and you can see people wearing their masks. But it's a good opportunity to come through here and film and get a look at what the concourse is all about. We're at rush hour here at the moment. It would normally be a little bit busier than this, but nevertheless there are still quite a few people around and about. You know, the U-bahn currently comprises of 8 lines serving 96 stations, and they're on separate levels, the U-bahn lines to the S-bahn line. So it's very important when you look at the Munich transportation map is that you discern what you're going to be using before you start to use the transport. You know, you're going to be looking to use the U-bahn or the S-bahn. The way that it works is the S-bahn or the Schnellbahn nets basically starts in the city underground and goes outside of the city for up to 45 minutes, 50 minutes outside the city overground, whereas the U-bahn is limited to the metropolitan city part of the city of Munich. So really the U-bahn is serving more people that work within the city, moving from point to point within the city, and the S-bahn tends to serve people that are travelling from outside of Munich into work, say, for instance. As I say, plenty of places to grab a coffee or a sandwich, snack. Above this concourse area is also where the main line trains depart from, the regional expresses and the intercity expresses. So you can always find somewhere to eat before you depart on your journey. Kill some time if you like. And at the end of the concourse here, as we approach the U4 and U5 lines, we can see that there are a few ticket machines there. There's the U4 and U5 escalator going down there. That's where you'd go if you were going to the Oktoberfest. Theresienwiese is one stop from here, which is where the Oktoberfest takes place. So with regards to the ticket machines, there are red machines and blue machines. They serve both the S-bahn and U-bahn. Again, the machines are pretty intuitive, so it tells you what to do. You touch the panel. By default, obviously everything comes up in German, so if you want to practice your German, you can use that, or you can switch to your language, as I've just done here. Choose the Union Jack to bring English up, and then it makes it far more easier for you. Day tickets for 1 to 5 people or 2 to 5 people. You can choose the number of zones that you want to travel on. Again, you have to cross-reference with the map to see how many zones you want to travel through. And if you buy a day ticket for all the zones, you can see €16.40. For up to 5 people, that's pretty good value. Depends on how long you're coming into the city for. You can also buy, you know, as well as 1-day passes, you can get 3-day passes and 7-day passes, just depending on what you're planning to do. Before going down onto the platforms, it's well worth checking out the maps, which are located throughout the station. You can see there the Hauptbahnhof, where we are, the main station on the map, with the trunk line going through the middle. And there we can see Theresienwiese, where the Oktoberfest takes place. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in Munich.